the science being turned into practical use. There's a lot of new science, fresh science, and a lot of summaries from accumulated science as well. Yeah, that's one of the highlights for me.
The World Nutrition Forum are usually organized extremely professionally. I've been here for the last, I think, 1.5 decades. And this, I think, is one of the best ones. The combination or the synergy of different aspects, the location, the people, the professional organization, and on top actually, and this combination, which actually had a synergistic effect rather than just an additive effect, was actually what was the most enjoyable part.
I think it's been a great conference. I mean, you know, the quality of the talks have been very good. The hospitality is great, the people are great, the venue is nice. The quality of the science, most importantly, is good. So again, it's been one of the best experiences for me, so yeah.
Tenemos una responsabilidad muy grande con la sociedad, muy buena, bastante organizado, todos los detalles meticulosamente pensado.
The event was very important to connect all the stakeholders and to know all the challenges in the animal protein chain.